Looking for the perfect bread machine but feeling overwhelmed by all the choices? Let's walk through the best and worst options together so you can pick the right one with confidence. This is the weakest machine in today's ranking, and that doesn't mean it's bad, it just means it's very basic. This machine is designed for people who want simple bread without bells and whistles, and it absolutely sticks to that mission. It offers the essentials like multiple bread settings, crust control, and a non-stick pan, which makes cleanup easy and stress-free. It can bake a full-size loaf, and for the price, it covers the fundamentals surprisingly well. Where it falls behind the others is in flexibility and control. There's no ingredient dispenser, so you have to remember to add nuts or fruit yourself. The loaf shape is tall and narrow, which some people don't love, and the recipe support is pretty limited compared to the rest. This is a good pick if you just want to set it and forget it for basic white or wheat bread and you're on a tight budget. But if you're the type who enjoys experimenting or baking more often, you'll probably want something more capable, which brings us to the next option. By the way, you'll find links to all the products from this review at the best prices in the description under the video. This one steps things up a bit and lands in the second spot. It's still simple, but more refined, better built, and easier to live with on a daily basis. It's smaller, lighter, and fits better on crowded kitchen counters. It also delivers more consistent results than the previous machine and feels more polished in how it operates. The controls are clearer, the baking is more even, and the whole experience feels more dependable. That said, it still lacks advanced features. There's no ingredient dispenser, fewer programs than some competitors, and some users report denser loaves, especially with whole grain recipes. It also isn't as powerful as higher-ranked machines. This is perfect for small households or apartments where space matters, and for people who want reliable bread without a learning curve. If you're happy with simplicity but want something nicer than the cheapest option, this is a solid choice. And if this video is helping you out, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future reviews. Now we're moving into the mid-range, and this machine feels like a big step forward. It offers more control, more programs, and more flexibility, while still being easy to use. It's quiet, beginner-friendly, and has enough settings to cover everything from standard bread to gluten-free, jam, and dough. It's also very convenient thanks to the long delay timer, which is perfect for waking up to fresh bread. The downside is that it still doesn't have an ingredient dispenser, so you need to add extras manually. The viewing window can fog up, and the included recipes are somewhat limited compared to premium models. This is a great pick for families or anyone who bakes often and wants more variety without paying premium prices. It's a strong balance between simplicity and flexibility. This is where things start to feel premium. This machine is powerful, versatile, and clearly designed for people who take home baking seriously. It bakes evenly, handles a wide range of recipes, and the ceramic-coated pan is both durable and easy to clean. The automatic dispenser is a huge upgrade, letting you bake specialty breads without babysitting the machine. Its main weakness is usability. The interface feels a bit cluttered, and the instructions aren't always as clear as they could be. It also doesn't perform quite as well with gluten-free recipes as some users expect. This is an excellent choice for people who love baking and want more control and better materials, as long as they're comfortable learning their way around the settings. This is the best machine in the ranking, and it earns that spot by being the most powerful, the most flexible, and the most capable overall. It can bake much larger loaves than any of the others, heats more evenly thanks to its dual heating system, and kneads more thoroughly with its dual paddles. It also includes a ceramic pan and automatic dispenser, which means better bread with less effort. The only real drawback is that the interface isn't quite as intuitive as it could be, and it doesn't offer quite as many specialty programs as some high-end brands, but those are small trade-offs considering its performance. This is the right choice for big families, frequent bakers, or anyone who wants top-level results without professional-level complexity. If you want the strongest performance and the most flexibility, check out the top-ranked machines using the links in the description below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and come back for more honest reviews.